Today I want to show you a coffee that I really enjoy. This is Bulletproof, and it's called the Mentalist. This is a coffee that's brewed in Seattle, and it has notes of cherry, almond, caramel, and it's got a little bit of a nutty flavor. I go through quite a lot of this. I like it. It's a good, clean coffee. There's also a way you can make it according to the Bulletproof recipe, where you add some oils, some good fats to it. I haven't tried that yet. I just simply like brewing the coffee, and I just use it with my drip machine, as indicated on the side here. It's one of the coffees that I really enjoy, and one that I always keep stocked in the house. This one, incidentally, is tested for toxins. A lot of coffee comes in to this country, and it is not tested, and there are different things that can be found in there. But this one has been tested. It's 100% Arabica beans, and it's a go-to favorite. Check it out. Thanks for watching.